This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel here. I'm trying to get my camera to quit moving around there. And I'm going to do a quick update on my Pete Brock racing team. It's the BRE Datsun. It's the Datsun 2000 Roadster. I'm going to do a quick update on it, what I've gotten done so far. And then this is going to be a mail call and show you what models I got in. Me and Doug did some trading, and of course he did with a bunch of other guys too. I'll show you what I got, but first of all, I'm going to do a shout out here to Ernest, Spunky's Model Shop. There's his card. Y'all see that? Ernest is a good guy. He's been around for a while. Y'all know who he is, but if you don't know who he is, please go by and subscribe to him. And I'll leave descriptions to all these guys in the description thing below there. And then the next one I got in was from James. Y'all know James Morse. There's his card. Good builder. He also sent me the booklet right here, how to wire motors and stuff, how to detail your engines. Man, that's awesome. I appreciate you, brother. And then another guy I don't have a shop card for. He's not necessarily a model car guy, but he's in the community, and I want to give a shout out to him. I want y'all to go check him out and support him. He ain't got just a whole lot of subs right now and stuff, but his name's Steve, but the name of his channel is small scale stuff, and it's going to be in the description below. And he's out of the UK, and he does a lot of diorama stuff. So what he does is not necessarily military, not necessarily car. It's you know, stuff like castles, sci-fi. Of course, you know, the guy can do anything. I mean, you know, and I want y'all to go check him out. He puts out some good videos. And if you're into dioramas and stuff, this is a guy you need to check out. So please check out Steve. His channel's Small Scale Stuff. Small Scale Stuff. That's the name of his channel. And like I said, I'll leave the description below. And then now, Doug Hensley, I got your stuff in today. I want to appreciate you, and I'm going to show y'all what all I got. I got the Airfix 132 scale Austin Haley Sprite MK1, and I do a lot of small scale collecting, building, and this is one of them I didn't have in the 132 scale. I appreciate it, Doug. Let's see. The other kit I got here, it's a Protar. It's the Alfa Romeo Spider 1600. Right there. That's a curbside kit. It's a pretty cool detail for a curbside kit. And it's just a sweet looking car. You can see where Volkswagen Carmagia kind of got their body lines from right there. That almost looks like a Carmagia. Of course, it's probably built the same coach factory that builds because you know Ghia does a Italian coach builder, and they built the Carmagia, you know, for Volkswagen, the body and everything, so you can tell where the lines come from right there. And then the next one I got was Mercedes CLK GTR from Tamiya. That's a highly detailed kit, engine, everything. Boy, it's a beautiful kit. You can see the box art right here. Very, very good kit. Doug, I appreciate you, brother. I hope you enjoyed the funny cars I sent you. Alright, well, I'm going to turn this around and show y'all what I've gotten done so far. Alright guys, this is what I got done on the Datsun so far. I just got her mocked up here. You can see I scratch built a a roll cage for it. All the dash stuff's been scratched, built. I got the engine wired up. You can see right there, got some painting done underneath there. I got the correct wheels for it. I don't know if I can turn this over and show you or not here. What I've gotten done so far, it ain't all complete, but I still got to two-tone the paint. Still got to apply all the decals. I scratch made a front splitter. I don't know if y'all can see that very good or not. You know where the splitter goes. It goes up underneath here, so I scratch built that. The roll cage. Got a racing seat in there. Got all the little switches on the dash. The cutoff switch, the ignition switch, all the little switches. I made all that. And that's pretty much what I got done so far. Hopefully when the weather clears up here, it's been kind of rainy, humid and stuff, so it's hard to mask that off and paint it. So, but that's what I've gotten done with the Datsun so far. She's coming along. Like I said, I love the old BRE Datsuns. Matter of fact, there's one I built 20, 30 years, no, 20 something, probably 25, 26 years ago or so. I'd like to redo that one again. I'd like to build me another one. I also have the Datsun Z car, 240Z. I got it up there in the stash somewhere. I'll have to break it out sometime and get it built. But this is the one I wanted to build, and if y'all want to build this, get the decals, scratch build you some parts, and that's one of the kits. Of course, there's several different boxes of this kit, but that's the kit I'm using. Alright, I want to thank all my subscribers that's been with me for a while, and all the new ones that's just come on board. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.